Hi everyone, today we're going to be making Jamie Oliver's Savoury Muffins. Now I say we because number one, I'm making it with my sister. Number two, you can also follow along at home. So for this recipe we will need carrots, at least 5, baking powder, ground cinnamon, which smells very nice, an apple, pumpkin seeds, self-raising flour, brown or white, 4 eggs, milk and oil. We're using olive oil because it's quite healthy. In terms of equipment, you will need a tray which can hold cupcakes. It's actually a muffin recipe, but we only have cupcake cases, so we're making more cakes because cupcakes are shallower. You will also need a large mixing bowl and a whisk. You will of course also need a weighing scale, and this is how you make it. So the first step we're going to do is measure 200 grams of self-raising flour. Now we're going to put that into our mixing bowl. We're going to wash them first for hygiene, and then we're going to put all 4 into the mixing bowl. Now we're going to do the scary thing and crack the eggs. Whack. 4 tablespoons of milk. Put it in the bowl. And that's what I mean by this recipe is very easy, because you literally just put everything into a bowl and mix it. It's not technical at all. The next step is 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder. The next step is to grate our carrots after we've peeled them and washed them. So I'm using the grater and doing it into a small glass bowl, which I will then tip into our mixing bowl. Carrots can fly everywhere as you're grating, which is quite infuriating, but then you just pick up the pieces afterwards. We're going to tip it into this mixing bowl. Quite a lot of carrots it comes out to be. Now we're adding our dry ingredient of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, and we're also adding a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're going to put that to one side and grate our apple. It's important that you know that you need to peel the apple first before you grate it. Next, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds. I will also add our grated apple. Now that we have our full bowl, we're going to mix it together with a whisk, and then it should be ready to put into the cupcake cases. So now I've mixed everything together, and I've actually changed it from a whisk to a normal metal spoon because it was much easier to maneuver the mixture around. Now everything has been combined. I'm going to spoon everything equally into this tin, which I showed you earlier. And to make sure everything is equal, I'm going to do 1 spoon at a time in each cupcake case. So I filled up all my cupcake cases, but we still have some mixture left. So what we're going to do is just add a little bit more mixture on the top of each cupcake to evenly spread it out, and so that nothing goes to waste. Before your cupcakes / muffins go in, you're going to need to preheat your oven to 180 for a fan. It's ready to be put in the oven. We're going to leave it in there for about 25 minutes and check if it's cooked. If not, we'll leave it for another 10 to 5 minutes more. So I'm going to take it out of the oven now. It's been about 28 minutes. Looking really good. I'm going to check if it's ready. So it's been about 35 minutes now, and we're going to check if it's ready to come out. They look good to me. I think it's clean. I think it's ready. So 35 minutes in the oven is the right amount of time. As a finishing touch, we're going to be sprinkling some pumpkin seeds on top, all individually, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like. The good thing is we added some in our mixture earlier, so even if they don't all stay on, there'll still be a crunch inside.